This is Harry from Junkshop. Today's junk is Red Bull fridge. I spend most of time in my room, right here, and fridge is in the living room. When I get thirsty, I have to go to the living room and bring some. That was annoying. Before I got this. This is for business purpose, like bar or nightclub. So I don't have a chance to get, but eBay has everything. On the first day of every month, I buy sodas at the convenience. Only buy one, get one free. That's my monthly supply. This fridge looks like there's a lot of space. It isn't. Inside it's much smaller. And it won't fit if soda is bigger. And it makes a lot of noise. There are many disadvantages, but I like it, cause it's awesome. I have my own bar in my room, not just a fridge. Pause, phone, card reader, and cash drawer. Let me introduce my bar. I got pause and cash drawer from my friend. He said he doesn't use anymore. Display like this, I think I missed something. Yeah, that's card reader. So I bought it. Cash drawer is supposed to be opened with a key. With this, I can open with a single button. And I pick up this phone on the street. That's how my bar was completed. I can't use this pause in my room, so I just installed Windows 10. It's connected my laptop. It shows same screen. And I modified this reader. Original screen is here. And I put the other screen. If I power it on, it shows same screen. Great, isn't it? All of a sudden I thought, what if this fridge has a screen? Can I make my one and only fridge? I can try.
total package. Is the photo finish, snap a photograph. If I'd have told it back when I'd have noticed that could been a total rapper, had to hold it back and let it. We figured all the bullshit out. I'm running home to spend the evening on the couch. I'm even eating better, need a vino, let it soak, and I could leave my phone around. I wrote an album out of all the emo feeling, found a better spot to lay my head. I'm feeling elevated, hearing random people talk to me. It's Helen Keller. I don't ever hear them. I don't never ever let a hater get me. I don't give a shit about it. Apparently met me many times before, but time it wasn't mine. Yours is mine. The drama's over. I was sure about it. Out in ocean liners are the finest, all the art that I did caught my eye where I'm in.